I don't think you know that your Apple Watch actually has a more advanced calculator than your phone has. One feature that you don't have on your phone but that you have in the calculator app on your Apple Watch, that is to calculate tips, and you can divide the bill when you are in a restaurant. So let me show you how it's done. So first let's go into the calculator app. After that, we're going to type in the total amount that we're going to pay. So the bill was $246. It was an expensive one. It was a nice restaurant. Then we tap the tip feature, and then I would like to give, okay, the service was great, but not fantastic. So, well, it's going to get 16% tip. So then it's going to be $285.36 in total, and I would like to divide that for people. So each we're going to pay $71.34. If you like this one, please give me a thumbs up, and if you really liked it, buy me a cup of coffee, because that is highly appreciated, and I have a link for my cup of coffee purchase in the description box below. Next thing we're going to do, that is to see each other in that video over there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.